Hey again, it's Charity Cole. Thanks for sending me all those great questions. I'm ready to answer them. Here we go. I have been at the North Carolina Zoo for 7.5 years. So I have 2 degrees. My first degree is an associate's degree in landscape gardening. My second degree is a bachelor's in secondary education with a concentration in agriculture professional service. I've always loved being in nature and being outdoors. When I was little, I was just so fascinated with how a little itty bitty seed could fastly turn into a plant and grow and flower and then produce another plant. And so when I was little, I started growing plants and I was very quickly hooked. Now I'm in love with native plants, like the one behind me. I love how important they are to the ecosystem because they have adapted to the area, and so have the pollinators along with them. So it makes them the best plants for your local pollinators. Plant right here, this is a common milkweed, and look right here, we have a little teeny monarch caterpillar. And this plant is so important because this is the only plant that it actually eats on to become a bud. Before any plant is planted to an exhibit, it has to be submitted and sent to the North Carolina Zoo veterinarian. The veterinarian in turn researches that plant to see if it's toxic to that particular animal. And then if it is not toxic to that animal, the plant is then submitted and put on a list for future landscape planting. Pollinators love plants like milkweed and asters and coneflower, blazing star, mountain mint, Joe Pye weed, lobelia, blanket flower. And they also love trees, which are very important, like redbuds, sourwoods, tulip poplars. Habitat for bees. So to do that, you want to find as many local native plants as you can, plant diversity. So you want at least 12 to 20 species of different native plants, and you want at least 3 of them flowering at the same time so your foragers can have more plants to choose from. Bees use nectar to make honey. So they collect the nectar and they put it in a honey stomach, which has enzymes that break down the nectar, and then they take it back to the hive, regurgitate it, and other bees repeat this process until the mixture is down to 20% moisture. Thanks everybody for all the great questions. I really enjoyed answering them. Don't forget to check out our next Ask an Expert. Bye.